might not see them every day, but all around the world, they're in constant motion, working hard, building our future, and improving our quality of life. What am I talking about? Machines and their operators. This is Mighty Jobs, powered by Volvo Penta. In this Mighty Jobs series, we're turning the spotlight on mighty industrial machines powered by Volvo Penta engines. My name is Lacey Rose, and I usually spend my days in the forest, planning for upcoming harvests and regeneration. Being born and raised in a Canadian mining town, the people that make a living from our natural resources are very close to my heart. So, let's meet some of those mighty people performing mighty jobs. We're here in Tampere, Finland, at the invitation of Sandvik to visit their top secret mine. And behind these doors, both present and future mining technology is being tried and tested. In this 170,000 cubic meter underground testing facility, you'll find all of the latest technology in mining. The mining industry, like the machines it uses, has rapidly evolved over the years. It's getting safer, smarter, and more efficient.
It's a little bit surprising because now we are talking about autonomous cars on the surface, but here on the underground we have had already these autonomous trucks and loaders for roughly 20 years.
For machines and the engines that drive them, the mining environment is one of the toughest on Earth. Typically, they're working around the clock, up to 3,000 meters underground, in a damp and extremely dusty environment. It's survival of the fittest down here for industrial machine and engine manufacturers. Today, the mighty machine we'll be putting to the test is this highly advanced Sandvik underground dump truck. The TH551i weighs in at 41 tons unladen and can carry an impressive 51 tons of ore, measuring 11.6 meters in length and around 3 meters in both width and height. It's powered by one of the biggest engines from Volvo Penta. The D16 delivers around 700 horsepower and a massive 3,200 newton meters of torque. But enough about that. Let's see what this engine has to offer. Like most other mining equipment, the TH551i has the ability to be fully automated. However, for our test, it will be in the hands of a real driver.
So let's see, it's long time when I drove last time.
Excellent, I feel so safe. So, Auntie, tell me about how long did it take you to learn how to operate this machine?
Not that long. It's quite easy because steering wheel, pedals and automatic transmission are just like in a normal car.
So these trucks have the ability to be fully automated, but just how smart are they?
Extremely. This truck is fully automated. It continuously monitors hundreds of preset parameters to ensure that everything is working efficiently.
So basically, we don't even need to be here.
No, we could be sitting in a control room, drinking a cup of coffee.
Well, that sounds pretty good.
Yeah. When it comes to engine, it's all about the torque. This engine has very wide range of torque, and it means smooth ride for the operator and much better fuel efficiency.
So do you think that I'd be able to try out this machine sometime, Auntie?
Yeah, perhaps you need some training at first, but after that, why not?
So, what are my takeaways from this experience? It's amazing to be down here, seeing the complexity of it all and the technology behind it. And intelligent mining machines like the Volvo Penta-powered TH551i are not only helping us extract precious metals like gold, silver, and iron ore from the ground, but also our most common household condiment, table salt. So, the next time you sprinkle some salt on your French fries, just think, it could have been collected from a mine with the help of a machine like this, powered by an engine from Volvo Penta.